You can use online archiving to manage and organise your mailbox and increase your storage. Your normal mailbox is limited to 100 gigabytes. If you use your online archive, you can increase this by an additional 100 gigabytes. Both @schools emails and @SA.gov emails have the same storage size limits. It's good practice to move emails from your inbox to your online archive for storage. They'll still be accessible on your desktop Outlook app or Outlook on the web. If you're a school or preschool based staff member, your emails will automatically be moved into your online archive after 3 years from the date they're sent. In Outlook Classic, access your online archive in the left pane of Outlook. You may need to expand it to see the folders. You can create and manage your folders just the same as you would in your mailbox. To move emails from your inbox to your online archive, select the email and then drag and drop it into the folder in your online archive. Online archive is different from mailbox archive. Emails you archive in your mailbox still count towards your 100 gigabyte mailbox data limit. You'll notice that there is an archive button in the ribbon available under the Home tab. This doesn't send the email to your online archive. If you select this button, it sends it to the archive folder in your mailbox. The archive button in a message also sends the email to the archive folder in your mailbox. Remember, to move an email to your online archive, you'll need to drag it into your online archive. You can search your online archive the same way that you search your mailbox. The quickest way to search would be to select the folder you want searched, and in the search bar, type in your search term and select Enter. You can modify your search by selecting the drop-down next to the search field. My initial search didn't show any results as I had selected the mailbox rather than a folder. You can see now I've changed the search location, it's located that Canva email for me. On the web, online archive is called In-Place Archive. Here I've come in with my corporate email. You can check your storage limits via the web app. In a browser, open Outlook. In the top right, select the Settings cog. In the left side menu, select Account and then select Storage. You can flick between your mailbox storage labelled All Folders and your In-Place Archive. Back in my @schools email, you can see the emails I moved are showing.